Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this review I'm going to show you my new bathroom shelves. I bought these because I have all my shampoo and soap bottles standing on the shower floor because I don't have no shelves in my new shower in my new house, and that's why I bought these. And I wanted specifically shelves that can hang on the wall without putting any holes in the wall where you don't need no tools or anything. So I bought these with these adhesive hooks. So I'm gonna put these shelves on the wall after I told you a little bit about this. So these are multifunctional bathroom shelves. As you can see, they come with two different shelves. One is just a normal shelf where you can put bottles and all types of stuff in there. You don't have to use this for the bathroom. You can also use this for the kitchen. You can use one for the bathroom, one for the kitchen. This is all individual how you would like to do it. And the second shelf is a little bit different. It has this little spot on the right side here for soap. And it also has these two hooks at the bottom. But there are a total of 11 hooks also on the sides of each shelf where you can hang things on, whatever, like a washcloth or whatever you want to hang on these shelves. And then they come with these adhesive hooks for the wall. And actually you just need two, one for each shelf, but they give you extra pair just in case you need it for some reason. My daughter already played with this, so she did bend this a bit. So let's see if it's still gonna stick to the wall, but I think so. And this has a cover here. You got to take this off and then stick it to the wall. And I'm going to show you how this works. After I've done this, you're supposed to wait for 24 hours to put any bottles or anything on the shelves to make sure that they are stable on the wall. And you don't need any tools or anything for this. You just need your hands. You need a clean, dry, flat wall to stick these on. And yeah, let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so as you can see in the background, my whole bathroom has these tiles here, and I hope it's still gonna work even though there's gonna be a little gap. So I'm going to take this part off, and that actually works super easy. And then I'm going to stick it to the wall, and then you have to press the air out of it. This is a super important step, that there's no air under this no more. So let's try this. Okay, so now I'll put it on the wall, and now I'm going to just push down. And of course I can't push the air out right on this gap here, but I can push the air out in all the other sections. The lighting is not so great in my bathroom here, but I think that you see everything. Okay, I'm going to push the air out, and I'm going to hang up this other one, and then I'm going to come right back to the video. Okay, so here they are. I just already put one shelf in there just to see if it works. It actually is super stable. So you're supposed to wait 24 hours before you put something in there, but I'm still gonna put something in there just for demonstration purposes. And I'm gonna hang the other shelf on the other side. I decided to put them next to each other. Of course you can measure it and make it completely even. I didn't do that. I just did it with my eyes. Just, I think it's even, but it don't have to be perfectly for my bathroom. And then I'm going to show you how this looks with some stuff in there, but I'm going to take it back out because I want to wait the 24 hours to actually use it. Okay, so that's it. I put some shampoo bottles in here, my razor, and I used this little hook here to hang this up, and my washcloth on the other side. And this is actually supposed to hang up a razor, so I could take this razor out of here and hang it inside of these hooks, but I already have this little thing for my razor, so I'm going to just keep it how I have it. But it looks pretty stable. It looks like it is going to work, and all my bottles have space. If you turn them to the side, you can have a lot more standing in here. And this is also a big spot, and when you put them next to each other, you have still a lot of height. So when you have bigger shampoo bottles, then you still have enough space for them in here. So that was super easy to do. I would highly recommend you getting these if you don't want to drill no holes in your wall, or if you're just not a handyman and you don't know how to do these things, then just get these with adhesive hooks. And this is just perfectly for my bathroom. They also have these in different colors, in silver, I believe. And yeah, just check it out. I like these black ones. They look just nice in here. And yeah, I highly recommend you buying this product. Thank you for watching the video.